Deputy Commissioner juga Ri-Bhoi District Warpit Upadhyay. Meta kasngi ulalum daka jingalang badbaro kiseng saiñ Hima na Ri-Bhoi District. Chua kasngi ñiew banyak keren halor kajinan kam ban penne eka suka saiñ balbanomi kano kahuri hura kasngi ñiew kaban long ka sau tarik jeliu arjara posau. Ya kate ka jingalang lapan long conference hall jongka office Deputy Commissioner jongka Ri-Bhoi District. Ha kajinan rangkat ki returning officer ki ARO ki observers ki he pulit ka Ri-Bhoi ban nakinom ikmat jongki seng saiñ Hima. Ha bakran kate kasngi nakliang DC ka Ri-Bhoi ulong ba kate ka jingalang kalong banyak keren kerpang kum ka jing pan kre nagam ta kasngi ñiew kaban long la syai kasngi balban ai ka jing syai ki seng saiñ Hima halor ki kendan ban treikam la syai kasngi ñiew banakal yang udisi ula patharu ikino yalam juki seng saiñ perthei bar ki pajba bakim dei ban penmi kano kahuri hura banakal yang udisi ula treikam ru daka kanon ain shispa asau CrPC habaro kawe ka Ri-Bhoi balakang persya iki seng saiñ perthei ban penlong ka jingalang klem ka jingyo jingbet nakibor badai pej.
This meeting was called in the presence of all the counting supervisors, all the AROs and the political parties, and the purpose of this meeting was to brief the political parties about various rules of the counting, the protocols of counting, and to clear their doubts, whatever if they were having. So the meeting has been concluded very successfully. Whatever they had asked certain doubts, it has been cleared. The mandates of ECI, the requirements of various forms that have to be signed, the procedure of counting has been explained, and again the one appeal has been made to maintain the law and order for after tomorrow's or after the results tomorrow, and they have been briefed about section 144 which is there, and regarding this, like the meeting has been concluded on this.